Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon itong pahayag ng isang House Leader, si Tingog Party List Representative Jude Asedre. Okay, dito sa headlines ng Philippine Star, sinulat ni Neil Jason Cervallos, January 5. Title: National Budget Pork Free, says House Leader. Wala daw pork barrel ang 2025 national budget according to Representative Jude Asedre. Okay? In a text message to the Star, Asedre said the claim of former Senate President Franklin Drilon that the 2025 national budget includes substantial pork barrel allocations is not true. So, pinapabulaanan ni Congressman Asedre yung pahayag ni dating Senate President Drilon. In-interview ni Ted Filon. Narinig ko yung interview na yun eh. Sa interview ni Ted Filon kay Senator Drilon, talagang tihik, punong-puno ng pork barrel ang 2025 budget. At ito yung pinapabulaanan ni Congressman Asedre. Okay, ganito yung paliwanag ni Senator Drilon. Ang naidagdag sa budget ng DPWH after yung BICAM conference, nadagdagan ng 288 billion. Kaya biglang tumaas ang budget ng DPWH, mas mataas na kaysa sa education sector. Ngayon, nireview ng Pangulo. At bineto. Ang bineto lang is 26 billion ang natanggal. So, 288 billion na isiningit ng mga lawmakers, 26 billion lang ang bineto, may naiwan pa na 262 billion. Yun ang sinasabi ni Senator Drilon na punong-puno ng pork barrel ang 2025 budget. Okay? So, ito. Yung mga pahayag ni Congressman Asedre, nasa inyo na kung kanino kayo maniniwala, kay Asedre ba o kay Senator Drilon. Sabi ni Asedre, we've been very clear that the 2025 budget is pork free. Walang pork barrel. Okay, dagdag pa niya. He added that no discretionary funds are going to legislators. Wala daw dadaan sa mga lawmakers dito sa mga pundong ito. Every single line item, sabi ni Asedre, every single line item is transparent. Wow. With clear guidelines and implementation handled by the proper executive agencies. Kung totoo itong sinasabi ni Congressman Asedre, bakit ang Malacanang sa pag-approve ng presidente sa budget, bakit naglagay ng conditional implementation? Dapat magkaroon ng clear guidelines bago ma-release ang pondo. So, ibig sabihin, walang specific guidelines. Gagawin pa. Kung kailan gagawin, I don't know. Okay. Asedre said the legislative process is designed to thoroughly examine the budget and ensure all allocations are in line with the Constitution. Okay. While funding, ito ang sabi niya, while funding adjustments may happen, they are done to make sure resources are distributed efficiently without cutting essential services. Ang ganda naman ng paliwanag ni Congressman Asedre. Sabi niya, it is unfair to say that these funds are discretionary funds and represent a return to the old pork barrel system, as all are within the purview of the executive and the executive agencies. So, nasa taong bayan na, nasa atin na kung naniniwala ba tayo dito kay Congressman Asedre. Basta sabi niya wala daw pork ang budget, wala daw pundo na dadaan sa mga kongresista, lahat daw ng pundo papunta sa mga line agencies, DSWD ba yan, DOLE ba yan. Sabi ni Senator Drilon is pwedeng i-question sa Supreme Court ang constitutionality nitong budget na ito. Okay, so punta tayo sa reaction ng mga taong bayan, kasi ang sarap magbasa ng mga reaksyon. Okay, people who reacted sa post nito, post ng Philippine Star, 2,600 people who reacted, 2,100 tumatawa. Ibig sabihin hindi naniniwala sa pahayag ni Congressman Asedre na pork barrel free ang budget. Tapos 355 ang galit. So ibig sabihin halos 2,500 ang galit o hindi naniniwala sa Ang nag-like lang is 171. Yun lang. Halos wala pang 1% sa mga tao ang naniniwala kay Congressman Asedre. Okay, punta tayo sa mga comments. Demetrio Dolores, sabi niya, mga sinungaling kayo. Bert Essie, sabi niya, pork is free. Libre daw ang karne ng baboy. Berlito Ablin, sabi niya, well, it is now the burden of every decent Filipinos that indeed it is pork barrel free by closely monitoring every program or projects. Tama ito. Anling Villanueva, sabi niya, if we keep forgiving politicians for their crimes, politicians will think that it is okay to steal. My goodness. Ben John Enriquez, crooks or corrupt Congress are all around. Don't know nothing, President Bongit. Rogelio Roa Neri, don't give us that crap, Mr. Asido. Asidre man ang apelyido, bakit Asido ang nilagay niya? For no matter what conversion of funds into cash would always be affected by some of you, if not all. As a matter of course, be reminded of the Napoles case. Yan, panahon ni Napoles, grabe ang pork barrel. Dangan Lope Role, pork barrel 777 as per Mayor Magalong and former Senator Franklin Drilon. Ano yung 777? Ito yung sources ni Mayor Magalong, narinig niya, although allegation lang ito, na ang kongresista na makasama sa sorte ni Congressman or Speaker Romualdez mabigyan ng 7 million na akap, mabigyan ng 7 million na AX, mabigyan ng 7 million na tupad ayuda. That makes it 21 million per sortie. Ang laki. I don't know kung gaano katotoo itong 777. Martin Laway, sabi niya, pera na nila ang iba, bulsa ang natira pang ayuda. Dahil malapit na ang eleksyon, idaan lang sa ayuda ang vote buying para hindi garapal. Saldiloy Magalong, ho ho ho, tell it to the Marines. Big sabihin, hindi naniniwala sa pahayag ni Asedre. Norberto Cercado, pork barrel, PDAF, confidential fund, or whatever you call it, if it was used for the benefit of the people and the government and not a few who get enriched to it is the real issue here. Don Alexi Torno, sabi niya, are you kidding? Everybody knows that all government projects are subject to 30% kickbacks of congressmen. These corrupt practices should be stopped. So, halos lahat ng comments binasa ko, puros negative. Wala pang nag-comment na naniniwala kay Congressman Asedre. So, comment nyo mag-comment kayo. Naniniwala ba kayo kay Asedre na budget, pork barrel free itong 2025 budget? Naghintay ako sa inyong mga comments.